In the bustling world of a busy household, a wisecracking washing machine named Washi was going through yet another load. Each cycle was a spin-tastic ordeal, but Washi always made sure to put in his 2 cents. "Hey, ceiling fan, unlike you, I'm winning the energy game," he quipped. The ceiling fan, known for its flair, whirled around jauntily, retorting, "Please, you're all talk and bubbles. I'm the real breeze here." But Washi, unperturbed, mused playfully, "At least my spins are TikTok ready, unlike your wobbly dance." With a chuckle reverberating through the room, this exchange turned into a debate about household energy meter crises, leaving viewers laughing and pondering the real cost of running their smart home.